Today we're taking a close look at the PELADN WI7 Mini PC. It's tiny. It's powered by an Intel Pentium Gold 7505 processor backed by 8 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of solid-state storage, and full Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. Right out of the box, the first thing that stands out is just how compact and lightweight this chassis is. It weighs well under a pound and fits right in the palm of my hand. Now, PELADN includes the power supply, an HDMI cable, and a dedicated mounting bracket. That means if you want a zero footprint setup, you can bolt this directly to the back of any compatible monitor or TV. Plug in a wireless keyboard and mouse and you have an instant all-in-one style workstation. Let's walk through the ports because for a box this size, connectivity is surprisingly robust. You get dual HDMI ports plus a full-featured USB Type-C port that supports display output. You also have high-speed USB-A ports for peripherals and RJ45 gigabit Ethernet port for reliable wired internet and a standard 3.5 millimeter audio jack. One huge feature here is triple 4K display support. By utilizing both HDMI ports and the Type-C connection, you can drive up to 3 4K monitors simultaneously at 60 Hz. Now, if you do spreadsheet analysis, data entry, side-by-side research, or multiple screen monitoring, having a triple screen output on an entry-level mini PC is massive productivity win. Now, under the hood, this unit is running the Intel Pentium Gold 7505. That gives you 2 cores, 4 threads, and turbo boost speeds up to 3.5 gigahertz. 7505 is built on Intel's 10 nanometer Tiger Lake architecture, giving it significantly stronger single-core burst speeds. For everyday computing, launching apps, opening large documents, multitasking across 15 to 20 browser tabs, and even running video calls, everything feels snappy and responsive. Graphics are handled by Intel's integrated UHD graphics, which easily decodes 4K video streams without stuttering or dropping frames. Internally, the 8 gigabytes of LPDDR4 memory and 256 gigabyte SSD deliver fast boot times and rapid file access. Thermally, the active smart cooling fan keeps internal temperatures well regulated. During normal office work and web browsing, it runs virtually silent. On the wireless side, you get Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 for fast data transfers, lower latency, and reliable pairing with wireless accessories. So who is the PELADN WI7 best for? First, work from home setups needing a responsive multiple monitor workstation. Second, maybe students who need a compact, capable desktop for schoolwork and research. Third, living room setups as a discrete 4K media player behind a TV. And fourth, small businesses running point-of-sale registers or digital displays. It's also backed by a 3-year manufacturer warranty, which provides solid peace of mind in this category. If you need a reliable, whisper-quiet, micro desktop that handles daily productivity with ease, the PELADN WI7 is an easy recommendation.